Magpasalamat lang kung dako sad sa Vicente Soto, no? Kasi they've been helping us good sa province. But I also question ba nga naman nga nakasuda yun dito in less than an hour. When ato mga patients nga naa na yung mga brain bleed diha, lisod kayo isulod. But then in this case, in less than an hour nakasulod sa Soto. So I guess they also cater to VIP. Lain-laing meaning sa VIP ha. Very irritating people. Or person yan. Wala na ako masulti. Pangutan-an niyo Dr. Aquino, anong nahitabo to? Kaya ako gusto sa kumangutanan niya kung magkita mi. Di man mutubag sa context. No, this has been recorded from the police station to the admission in Soto. So it happened in less than an hour, or even if it's more than an hour, still it happened in the day, which ordinary people would take even weeks or even months before they can go in Soto.
So, in other words, Gov, kanang murag na ay na bypass because there are patients from district hospitals and provincial hospitals nga nag-wait.
I'm sure. Naagit to na bypass kay if you go to Soto now, dagang kay maglinya diha.
Yeah, Sir Lloyd, go ahead.
So, dula ka nga wakoy electronic referral bayon Garcia. Unlike sa mga tagilusod nga katinugayan at dapat tulog adlaw.
We're done. We're done.
Emergency, okay.
Yeah, surprising. So maybe it's your chance to ask Dr. Aquino why it happened that way.
Ayaw mo sumugog na pamot ini ibang issue. Wa kay plano ko nga yung equal attention ba sa DOH kami supervisor Vicente Soto. Ano yung Dr. Aquino to look into nga naman nila ano yung possible special favor.
You're doing it for me already, thank you. Sige, manawagan ko niya. Ano nga nahitabo to? Manawagan ta niya.
Byron is also claiming he's subjected to maltreatment while in custody sa police. Your reaction, Go?
Well, that's a police matter already. No, I don't want to get involved. But we're waiting for official, I'm sure the police is waiting for an official complaint. Kung if he thinks nga gimaltreat siya, then file a complaint. How come until now wala complaint, di ba? I mean, like you and me, we're waiting for any complaint. Don't just accuse the police of maltreatment. Make a formal complaint.